Hello, here's my modified Demolisher rocket launcher. I just replaced the original O-ring with this one. I haven't measured how long it shoots, but I think the video speaks for itself. One of these rockets disappeared actually, I couldn't find it afterwards. I also cut off the air restriction right behind the rocket, as you can see on the picture. Here's a better view of the distance where you can see the rocket shooting from the side. I'm trying to shoot to the left of the trampoline, but the one went inside, I see. It actually shoots pretty accurate. Lands to the left side of this picture. I'm shooting downhill here, but that's a bit of cheating, I guess, but you can still see that it shoots pretty far. It's important to pull the priming bar out before you load the rocket. This is uphill, but I still get pretty far, as you can see. Here's a better view of the distance.